Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to upload an affidavit of support in CEAC. First, you'll need to access the Consular Electronic Application Center website. Once there, locate your specific case by carefully entering your unique case number. This step is crucial for ensuring you're working on the correct application. After finding your case, navigate directly to the Affidavit of Support section. This is where you'll begin the process of submitting your essential financial documents. Before uploading, gather all required financial documents, such as Form I-864, your most recent tax returns, and any employment verification letters. It's vital that all these documents are scanned clearly and saved as individual PDF files. Each file must be under 5 megabytes in size to ensure successful upload. Remember to name your files descriptively, like I-864 Petitioner or Tax Returns 2024, for easy organization and identification. Now, let's walk through the actual upload process. Within the Affidavit of Support section, you'll see specific categories for each document. Click the Upload button next to the relevant document type, then select the corresponding PDF file from your computer. After each upload, confirm that the system indicates a successful submission. Take a moment to review all uploaded documents to ensure they are accurate, complete, and clearly visible, preventing any potential delays in your application. Once all your documents are successfully uploaded and reviewed, the final step is to click the Submit button for the entire Affidavit of Support section. You should then receive a confirmation message on screen or via email, acknowledging your submission. It's important to regularly check your CEAC account for any status updates or further instructions. Be prepared to promptly provide any additional information or documents, if requested by the National Visa Center, to keep your application moving forward smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.